Today we're going to quickly demonstrate the operation of the LB216. We have a steel cover which protects the blanket system. Simply unlatch. Remove your system. This would be the heating element, zone 1 and zone 2. This would be heating up a 2 foot by 4 foot zone. This heating up another 2 foot by 4 foot zone. Both zones on, you're heating 4 foot by 4 foot. There is a latch over here which holds the panel in up position. Simply lift it up, lower down the unit. You would have your two 30-pound propane cylinders. Again, making sure that they're purged and full of propane. With the lines hooked up, you select your zone, turn on the bottle, turn on the fan, push the green button, you're heating asphalt. The maintenance on the LB216, it comes with a deep cycle charger with your charging port. Every day, make sure that your unit is charged and plugged in. Any questions, feel free to call KM International, 800-492-1757.